Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I am doing well, thank you.
How are your classes going?
They are going great.
Are you busy this semester?
Yes, I am taking a lot of classes.
Me too. My schedule is full.
Where are you going right now?
I am walking to the library.
Do you have time to chat?
Yes, I have 10 minutes before my next class.
What is your next class?
I have an English class.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, it is my favorite subject.
Why do you like English so much?
Because I love reading books and talking to people.
English is very useful for traveling.
Exactly. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is history.
History is very interesting.
Yes, I love learning about the past.
Do you have to memorize a lot of dates?
Yes, but the stories are very exciting.
Who is your history teacher?
Mr. Clark is my teacher this year.
Is he a good teacher?
Yes, he makes the lessons fun.
That is very important.
What other subjects do you like?
I also really enjoy art class.
Are you good at drawing?
I am okay, but I love painting.
Art is a very relaxing subject.
Yes, it helps me reduce stress.
I am terrible at art.
Anyone can do art if they practice.
Maybe I will take an art class next year.
You should. It is very fun.
Do you like music class?
Yes, I sing in the school choir.
You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you very much.
I play the guitar in music class.
Playing an instrument is a great skill.
Yes, but it takes a lot of practice.
Everything takes practice.
That is a very true statement.
What subject do you study the most?
I study biology the most.
Is biology a difficult subject?
Yes, there are many new words to learn.
Science subjects are always hard for me.
Do you take chemistry or physics?
I am taking chemistry this year.
Do you do experiments in the lab?
Yes, the experiments are fun.
But the homework is hard?
Yes, the equations are very confusing.
I can help you with chemistry.
Really? That would be wonderful.
What is your least favorite subject?
My least favorite subject is math.
Why don't you like math?
I am not good at numbers.
Math can be very frustrating.
Yes, sometimes I want to cry when I do my math homework.
Don't cry, I will help you.
Are you good at math?
Yes, math is very easy for me.
You are so lucky.
I just like solving problems.
It feels like a puzzle to you.
Exactly, a puzzle with numbers.
What subject is difficult for you?
I struggle with geography.
Really, I think geography is easy.
I can never remember the maps.
You just need to look at the globe more often.
All the countries look the same to me.
I can show you a trick to remember them.
Please do. I have a test next week.
We can study geography together.
So, I help you with math and chemistry.
And I help you with geography and English.
That is a perfect trade.
We are a great study team.
Do you have a lot of homework tonight?
I have to write a long essay for English.
What is the topic of the essay?
I have to write about my favorite book.
That sounds like a fun assignment.
It is, but it takes a long time to write.
Do you type it on your computer?
Yes, typing is much faster than writing by hand.
I have to finish a math worksheet tonight.
How many questions are on the worksheet?
There are 20 questions.
That will probably take you 10 minutes.
Maybe 15 minutes.
How many subjects are you taking this semester?
I am taking 6 subjects:
What are they?
math, history, biology, English, art, and physical education.
Do you like physical education?
Yes, I like playing sports with my friends.
It is a good break from sitting at a desk.
I completely agree. We need to move our bodies.
What sports do you play in PE class?
We are playing volleyball this month.
Volleyball is very exciting.
What subjects are you taking?
I am taking English, math, chemistry, geography, music, and computer science.
Oh, computer science. Is that hard?
It is a little hard, but it's very useful.
What do you learn in computer science?
We learn how to write simple code.
That is a very modern skill.
Yes, computers are everywhere now.
Why did you choose to study computer science?
I want to build a website someday.
That is a great goal.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be a history teacher.
Wow, just like Mr. Clark.
Yes, he inspired me a lot.
You will be an amazing teacher.
Thank you. I want to make history fun for students.
You already explain things very well.
I need to study hard to get into university.
We both need to study hard.
Yes, good grades are very important.
Do you study on the weekends?
I usually study on Sunday morning,
I like to study on Saturday afternoon.
so Sunday is a day for resting.
Yes, I watch movies or read on Sundays.
That is a healthy balance.
Do you ever fall asleep in class?
Only in biology class after lunch.
The classroom is always so warm.
Yes, and the teacher speaks in a very low voice.
It's like listening to a lullaby.
Exactly. I have to drink coffee to stay awake.
I drink tea in the morning.
Does your school have a language club?
Yes, we have a Spanish club and a French club.
Are you learning a foreign language?
I am learning Spanish this year.
Hola, how are you in Spanish?
¿Cómo estás?
That sounds very beautiful.
Spanish is a fun language to learn.
Is the grammar difficult?
Yes, the verbs are very tricky.
I want to learn French next year,
French pronunciation is quite hard.
but it sounds so romantic.
Yes, it is the language of love.
We have so much to learn.
Learning never stops.
That is the truth.
Well, my English class starts in 5 minutes.
Where is your classroom?
It's on the second floor.
My next class is on the first floor.
We should meet after school today.
Do you want to study in the library?
Yes, let's start our study team today.
What time should we meet?
School finishes at 3 o'clock.
Let's meet at the library doors at 3:15.
That gives us time to get our books.
Yes, I need to go to my locker first.
Please bring your math notes.
I will bring my math notes and my biology book.
I will bring my geography maps.
It is a date, a study date.
Should we bring some snacks?
Yes, studying makes me hungry.
I have some apples and cookies in my bag.
I will buy some water from the vending machine.
Perfect.
Look, the hallway is getting empty.
Everyone is going into their classrooms.
We don't want to be late.
My English teacher hates when students are late.
You should run up the stairs.
I am going to walk very fast.
Have a great time reading your book in English class.
Thank you. Have fun in your history class.
I will try my best.
Good luck with your math worksheet later.
Good luck with your English essay.
See you at 3:15.
See you at the library doors.
Don't forget the snacks.
I won't forget.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.